chilling in his car, listening to some danger. Yeah. People inside the house. There, that house. Right there. That one. See it? That house right there. Watching football game. Michigan State, Michigan game. Yeah. Some birds. See him. There they are. See him? He flew away. It's right there. Oh, he flew away. Ah, oh, there they are. Oh, some more. Oh, birds. Well, where are you going? Just trying to look at you. Jeez. Be so self-activist birds. Just trying to fly away. Some on the telephone pole. See if I can get them. There they are. Birds. Oh my gosh. It's right there. See the birds? It's right there. Oh my gosh. There's so many birds here. Jesus. There's so many birds. It's a creepy building right here. Someone just said, hey, it's about to go down. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Someone's in trouble. Someone is in trouble. It's about to go down. Stop. Oh, and the dog. Where you going? Hey, doggy! No idea where he went. There he is. Well, hello there, Mr. Dog. Alright, fine. You know where then. Danger. Hear myself. It's so boring. I'm so bored. Oh. Ooh, this is a good song. 13H12 would be the name of this song by Danger. No, don't know what album, but that's all I know. I'll shoot. Got a message on Facebook. It says, well, can't read it on this, but it says, no, it's fine, I'll accept. It's not a problem. House is 2206. North Grand River Party should start around 3 or 4, last till whenever, I guess. My Bruce of Austin Tanner. That's Luke. Hi, Luke. I'm watching you. You're on camera. I'm recording you. You're on camera. Ah! It's not necessary. I just shat a brick. It's all your fault.
You know it's not necessary.
You should tell me, because I don't.
No.
Extreme close-up.
These are not necessary.
Well, then put it away. If it's not necessary. Jeez.
Come here.
I'm leaving. It's about to go down. I'm leaving.